In this video, I will show you how to create this woven stripe effect onto a piece of reverse stocking stitch. This technique is used in a few of our patterns to create stripes, gingham and tartan effects. In this video, I will show you how to create a fringing with your ends. Today I'm using Wool & the Gang Shiny Happy Cotton in ivory white to create the woven pattern onto this swatch of Shiny Happy Cotton in duck egg blue. The swatch was knitted on 5mm needles. Okay, let's get started. First, you will need to cut several lengths of yarn. For this swatch, I'm cutting my pieces at 80cm. In this video, we'll be using the yarn held double to create a bolder stripe. However, you can do it with a single strand. Before you can start weaving, first we need to identify where you'll be threading your yarn. The yarn will be worked in two places. The first line will go through the ends, and the second line will go through the U's. These ends and U's will be referred to as columns throughout this technique. Okay, so I've folded my yarn in half and I've threaded the folded end through the needle. Now, starting at the bottom of the piece, I'm going to thread my yarn under the first N and then over the second N, and then I'm going to continue going under and over until I reach the top of my piece. Okay, so now I've reached the top, I'm going to pull my yarn so that there's an even tail at the bottom and the top. Now I'm ready to work my next column, which is going to be the U's on the right hand side of this N. To work the U's, we're going to start by going over the first one, then under the second, then over and under to the top. So again, we're going to leave a tail at the top and the bottom. Our next line is going to be worked after a small gap, so we're going to miss the next column of N's and the next column of U's, and then we're going to go into that third N there. So again, we're going to go under the first N, over the second, and then under and over up to the top of the piece. So we're going to work another 3 columns on the right hand side of this piece. So that's another U, another N and another U. Okay, so now that I've finished weaving all my strands, we're going to trim the yarn ends to make a nice little tassel. Okay, so I'm trimming my yarn ends to 10cm. And there we go, that's your finished piece. Thanks for watching.